So, forget about the weather. Doesn't matter if it's snowing or raining or sunny. You're going to want to come to this sale, even if the ghosts advise against it. All right, so come on inside. You got it. Okay, so we have been setting up this sale for the last month, and it's no mystery that it's taken a month to do this. We're inside a very old factory, actually a mill. Actually a very large open room that's going to be where the sale is going to mainly take place. But it could not have taken place here if we didn't empty out here. But there's even more. Come on upstairs. There are 3 levels to this mill. Oh, did I not tell you about the books? There's books, but this is all being cleaned up. All the best of this is coming downstairs, and it's going to be part of the sale.